Hi and welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to enable game mode on your LG Smart TV and the settings that go along with it. Game mode on your LG Smart TV helps reduce input lag and speeds up response when playing games. So let's get into this. What we need to do is press the settings button just here. And the first option is picture mode. I currently have it on vivid. Let's click here. We can use the arrow to move along, standard, eco, cinema, sports, game optimizer. This is game mode. So this TV is now set with reduced input lag. Now let's have a look at some of the settings. If I press the settings button, we get a panel just at the bottom here. Now if pressing the settings button does not bring this up, I'll show you how you can get this enabled in just a few. So right here we have FPS, we have black stabilizer, we have STD, we have low latency on, AI game sound on. I can click this up or down arrow here to flick through some options, and I'll show you what these mean as well. And if I press all settings, this takes me back to normal all settings. To bring the Game Optimiser back up, press settings. Let's go into Game Optimiser here. And at the top here, we have Game Optimiser. It turns on or off all game related settings at once. FPS is frames per second. We have black stabilizer on, low latency, AI game sound as we had on the first screen. So first option here is game genre, and we have it on standard. Let's click this. And here we have FPS, which is first person shooter, RPG, role playing game, RTS, real-time strategy. And these were the options which were on the initial screen, which I could arrow through. Next we have black stabilizer, white stabilizer, and this fine tunes dark and light areas on your screen. It goes down to 0 and it goes up to 20. Let's just reset that. Okay, we can move down the list. We have reduce blue light. It's currently off. This will reduce the blue light emitted from the TV, which could be useful when playing at night times, just a little bit less bright. We'll leave that as it was. And here we have game dashboard. So when coming into game mode, you can disable this. When I press the settings button, it will just take me to normal settings rather than having the game dashboard appear. But I'll leave that on. In fact, I'll turn that off. Next up, we have AI game sound, which is enabled. We have the menu colors currently set to green. I can change that to orange. Looks like that. Or violet. Let's put it back to green. And at the bottom we have a user guide. So if this initial screen did not appear, the Game Optimiser just at the bottom here, what we can do to bring it into effect is go to settings, then come down the list to all settings. Next, go to general, and here we have Game Optimiser. This brings us to the Game Optimiser screen. We can scroll down the list and enable the game dashboard. So whilst in this mode, again, I can press settings and the Game Optimiser appears at the bottom. So I hope you found this video useful, and if you have, really appreciate if you can give it a quick thumbs up, and do check out some of my other videos on my LG Smart TV playlist. Thanks very much for choosing my video, and I wish you a great day ahead.